Hello everyone! Today we're going to recognize the letter F. And at the end we will get a special sticker. Are you ready? Let's go! Letter F. What sound does the F make? It makes the f sound. It's a stretchy sound. Shall we write the letter F? Okay, we're going to start from the top, go across the line, then all the way down, then go back to the middle and across. Fantastic, well done. Letter F. Shall we write the f sound? Going to start from the top, going to go over all the way down to the bottom line. Well done. And then we're going to go to the middle and then across. Super job. Well done. Can you see the letter F? Let's name the letters and then we will find the letter F. D, F, U. Can you point to the letter F? Well done, super job, great work. Now we have some more letters and we're going to find the letter F. P, E, F. Can you point to the letter F? Well done, super job. Now we have the lowercase letters and we are looking for the sound now. So let's find the F sound. B, F, D. Can you point to the F sound? Well done, super job. Great work, well done. Now we have some more sounds and we need to find the F sound. K, A, F. Can you point to the F sound? Super job, well done. Now we have the lowercase letters here and we're going to find the F sound and color it blue. Are you ready? Let's have a look. Yes, we found the first one. Well done. Let's look for the next one. Great job. Well done. Did you find another one? Let's have a look. Well done. Fantastic job. Are there any more? Yeah. Well done. Super. So we found 4 F sound. Well done. Now we have to find the letter F. Are you ready? Let's go. Fantastic, well done. Well done, let's color it blue. Can you see another F? Well done. Are there any more? Yes? Okay, let's highlight it blue. Are there any more? Well done. So we found 5 letter F. Fantastic job, well done. Now we have 3 pictures and we're going to find a picture that starts with a F sound. Are you ready? Okay. Book. Cup. Fan. So it's not the book. It's not the cup. Well done. It is the fan. Super work. Well done. Now we have 3 more pictures and we're going to find the picture that starts with the letter F or the F sound. Cat. Frog. Butterfly. So it's not the butterfly. It's not the cat. Well done. It's the frog. Now let's think about a word that starts with the letter F or sound F. Fish. Super job, well done. Well done everyone, fantastic job. Now it's time for our sticker. Are you ready? Here we go. Look at that, we have a rainbow sticker. Fantastic job, well done. Bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.